Happy Friday, 7th grade. Today is part 2 of our excerpt, The Other Side of the Sky. Today it is entitled Context Clues, Close Read. In other words, we're going to be examining the text that you read yesterday very closely. We're going to be looking for context clues that answer specific questions about the text. Today, I've included for you the introduction that was here yesterday. If you'd like to refresh your memory, go ahead and do that. And then the second section, which contains the text and our questions. I would suggest that you use the split screen mode to make your work a little bit easier. Today, we're going to do what we had done a couple of weeks ago. We are going to be highlighting the text and we're going to be annotating the text, which simply means after we finish highlighting, we're going to put a response inside of a note card, and your answers to the questions will then be right next to your highlighting. And let me show you how we're going to do that. Let's look right away at number 1. In our story, the Afghans, 1, surged toward the gate, 2, are driven back, 3, and then mill about, stoke their impatience and rage, and 4, surge forward again. How might this reoccurring action have unintentionally helped the people who were slipping money to the guards? Some people were paying money. They were using a bribe to get through. The majority of the people couldn't do that. Only a certain few could do that. So first of all, highlight in yellow the evidence in the text that supports your inference. Okay, your answer to this question. Highlight in yellow. So I'm going to go right over here, and you'll notice I already highlighted this in yellow. Once again, remember, you select the words that you want. You can do it one at a time, or you can highlight the whole thing. And I'm going to be asking you to use different colors for each one. Number 1, I'm using yellow. So I select yellow. Okay. And then I put my answer to the question right here in the box. You see where it says type to add a note? That's where you put your answer. What I have done is I have given you a sample answer, and I'm simply asking you, so you have an idea how this works once again, copy this. This is a sample answer. Copy this and put it in here. So you have your highlight for your answer, and then you have your response. The annotating is the response. Your highlighting is the color. When you have it highlighted and annotated, you're going to notice here that this line is underneath here. So this is surging toward the gate, driven back. This is my context clue. This is my contextual evidence. How might this recurring action have unintentionally helped people? That answer is right here. So it's all together. You are going to be doing the next 4 items in the same way. Number 2, you're going to use blue. So when you find your answer to number 2, select blue. Then put your answer in the box. Okay? That's what you do for each one. Number 3 is green, 4 is purple, 5 is orange. Once again, 7th grade, there are 2 parts for every answer. Just like we had 2 parts for number 1, we had highlighting and we annotated with an answer. You'll have that for numbers 2, 3, 4, and 5. Be remembering the Numbers tab. In this particular excerpt, it gives you the paragraph numbers. So when it says paragraph 9, your answer is going to be somewhere in here. And number 3, when it says paragraph 10, you look to paragraph 10. Number 4 says paragraph number 12. That's right here. Okay? So once again, your assignment is to carefully look to scour this set of paragraphs. Each answer has 2 parts. The first part is highlighting. Please use my suggested color: 2 blue, 3 green, 4 purple, 5 orange. And then annotate, which simply means put your answer inside the card. This is your assignment for today, Friday. Please complete this assignment today, Friday. Next week, we're going to continue to talk about our theme, being in pursuit. If there are any additional questions concerning this assignment, please contact me by way of Go Guardian. Have a great Friday and an awesome weekend.